Okay.
Cross the line. Thank you. Yeah. Whoa! Jim had the crash. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Gallipo Center again for the on-road club race. This one is January 19, 2025. And if you follow the channel, you will have saw that I got a new Exotek F1 R5. I raced it in the last F1 video that you would have seen on here with a color scheme that I did not actually like. So I've fixed that. Here is my new 2025 F1 car. Goodbye Red Bull, hello Ferrari. This one is a Carlos Sainz Tribute 2023 Ferrari livery from the debut of the Las Vegas Grand Prix. So it's got some of the real branding on it. Amazon Web Services, Shell, V-Power, Ray-Ban, Siva, Carlos Sainz number, and then some of the other kind of RC type branding that normally there is a black Ferrari logo on there, but I don't have a Ferrari sticker, so we got Hobbyway, and I still have the Savox on the front. I went for the all white because for the Ferrari that they ran that day, well, it had a white rear wing and a partial white and black front wing. I go all white because it's easier to see on track. And the white rear wing with the white here actually turns out very well on track, as you'll see. Also, this is the first time I'm running an F1 with the halo. That's a 3D printed piece in red. Works out very nice. I have a red and a black one that I never installed on the Red Bull. This flows a lot nicer to the contour of the car. So thank you to Drew from Warrior Hobbies for painting that up for me. Very much appreciated because my body turned out crap, and now I've got a nice new Ferrari and a real livery to run for the season. How the quals went today was hit and miss. Q1, the track was quite cold. It's a cold day today. It was minus 15 Celsius this morning. The track was very cold. We've been kind of fighting the car with that respect in temps. Made no changes. I'm still on all of the factory oils, which are quite light and probably designed for asphalt, to be honest. So I should thicken up the oils to make it a little bit more docile because it almost has a little bit too much reactivity. Gotten better as the track is heated up and got more traction content into the carpet. So the car is handling better now. I have made it into the A main for the mains, but I almost didn't make it there because Q2 I went well. I locked into my A main start. But in Q3 I went out and I started the run, and the car just stopped. My ball diff loosened completely off. I'm not sure how that's possible. It's got a lock nut on it. It sits inside of this hub, and the ball diff was just completely diffed out. So now I've flat spotted those diff balls, so I have fixed that. Not that you can tell on camera, but I have tightened it back up again. And then I was just doing my preliminary, preemptive checks of check your wheel nuts, make sure everything's okay. So I was on the other side, on the side that does not have the drive gear, and I was just taking my wheel nut and snap. I snapped the friggin' axle off of the non-drive side of the F1 axle, so that put me in a bit of a panic at the end of Q3, trying to find a part that would fix this because I don't have this. I don't have a spare, but this is a fairly common size part for F1 cars, and I ended up finding another Exotek from a friend, another Exotek part from a friend who's currently running a Roche Evo 3, and I have replaced it. So I've got an Exotek on borrowed hub, so we are ready to go for the mains. Starting P2 in the A main behind a brand new 2025 X-Ray F1 that he's got his body on it now, so we can't see it, but maybe I'll do a highlight of the new 2025 X-Ray in a future video. So that's my competition, who's going to be starting in pole position. I'm right behind him. We got X-Ray versus Exotek. All right, here we go. This is gonna be the first run with Ferrari. How am I last on the stand again? Everyone's like staged up before the other race is even over, and I'm still getting ready. Anyway. Okay, we're on this side, which actually kind of works better for me for the straightaway exit, but harder for some of the other areas. Let's see if this ball diff holds together and if the axle holds together.
The start of the race. John K. Eddie. Everybody's checked in. No more laps. Straightaway is closed.
Can I do one more? My tires, my poor tires. Oh no.
Followed by John.
Got no heat in them at all.
Okay, so Eddie up front, John, Jill,
Where's the line?
Jim, Andrew.
All right, this blue car ahead of me is Eddie's new X-Ray 2025. Today's the first run day of it, right?
Brad, which one are you?
And
I'm
he's
the one in his right hand.
TQ with the new car, as I was TQ with my new car last run. So good luck to Eddie, although I hope he crashes and I win.
Marshall's ready. Racers ready. Keep it clean. Less than 10. Clean start so far. Eddie up front, John second. Andrew now moving up in the third position. Jill under pressure. Jill tries to take position.
He hit the wall, but it wasn't enough.
John starting to put some pressure on Eddie towards the front. Andrew up in the third position. Wet with the pink. Jill now regaining fourth. Starting to make up ground. Stephen Prosser starting to put pressure on him as well.
Whoa, sorry.
It's okay. Go, keep on.
The leader is now Bob Kennedy. Eddie with a few errors. The whole field was screaming by Eddie.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 32
I
lap
got ahead. There was contact,
pace,
but
followed by Eddie in second place with a 32 lap 508.1 pace, followed by Andrew in third place with a 31 lap 507.2 pace, followed by Brad G in fourth place with a 30 lap 505.6 pace, followed by Jill in fifth place with a 30 lap 505.9 pace, followed by Prosser in sixth place with a 30 lap 506.6 pace, followed by Jim in seventh place with a 29 lap 506 flat pace.
Steven has the leader behind you. Thank you.
thanks, Jim.
Leader is the red and white car. Is going into the chicane now. Second place is Andrew with the pink and white. He's going through the infield.
Ooh, I almost crashed.
After 2 minutes 10 seconds, the top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 33 lap 503.9 pace, followed by Andrew in second place with a 32 lap 504.4 pace, followed by Eddie in third place with a 32 lap 507.5 pace, followed by Brad G in fourth place with a 32 lap 508.3 pace, followed by Jill in fifth place with a 31 lap 506.1 pace, followed by Jim in sixth place with a 30 lap 505.1 pace, followed by Prosser in seventh place with a 29 lap 501 flat pace.
Eddie's a bit slow. She missed that. John, Eddie, Andrew, Brad, Jill, Jim, and Stevens in the current running order. And somebody was left the building. I didn't quite see which car that was.
2 minutes left.
John Kennedy up front, red and white. The all blue car is second place in the entry.
Inside!
Watch the straight.
Hey, Lauren, take it
Watch
out.
the chicane.
Take it out.
Good job, Eddie. Nice
Take
missing.
it
The
out.
top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 33 lap 501.1 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 33 lap
The wall with the commotion was just a
508.7
glancing
pace,
blow.
followed by Andrew in third place with a 32 lap 502.7 pace, followed by Jill in fourth place with a 31 lap 503.4 pace,
I'm broke.
followed by Jim in fifth place with a 30 lap 503.3 pace, followed by Prosser in sixth place with a 30 lap 503.4 pace, followed by Brad G in seventh place with a 29 lap 509.5 pace.
This car's working great.
1 minute left. Five seconds left.
No, I can't keep it.
45 to go. John Kennedy, red and white car.
After 4 minutes 21 seconds, the top drivers are John Kay in first place with a 34 lap 507.5 pace, followed by Eddie in second place with a 33 lap 503.4 pace, followed by Andrew in third place with a 32 lap 503.4 pace, followed by Jill in fourth place with a 31 lap 501.4 pace, followed by Prosser in fifth place with a 31 lap 507.5 pace, followed by Jim in sixth place with a 31 lap 509.3 pace, followed by Brad G in seventh place with an 18 lap 312.1 pace.
All right. Cross the line. Thank you. Yeah.
Andrew.
Whoa! Jim had the crash right in front of the last corner.
Jim done. Jill done.
All
All
right.
drivers are finished.
John Kennedy wins.
Woo!
Eddie
That was nice. Good debut, Carlos. All right. The first new car jitter is always hard. You had a bearing issue and just trying to get it dialed in. It's you know, it's a whole different geometry, different setup. Good run. Couple of hard hits and then just hard to make it back. I made no mistakes after that except for one small wall hit on the commotion of traffic. That was it.
My car had way too much steering.
Yeah.
When you change something, I forgot to take it off.
Right.
It's just too hard to drive.
All right, guys, enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That's a win in the A-Mains. The new Exotek F1 R5 looking great.